What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity describes the technologies, organizational process, and access controls that are used to protect data, computers, mobile devices, and networks from attacks. These attacks can take many forms. From hackers trying to gain access to sensitive and valuable data, to tricking users into installing ransomware, or any other form of malicious software. We usually only hear about cybersecurity when an organization has suffered a data breach or when its systems have been successfully attacked. These attacks make headline news and have a negative impact on the organization. Their brand reputation suffers, they can face regulatory fines and litigation. They can also lose valuable information if it hasn't been properly secured. For this reason, organizations will have policies and procedures in place which detail who can access what information, how email and internet should be used, where data should be stored to ensure that it can be safely backed up, and whether or not personal devices can be used. How does cybersecurity affect me? We all have a responsibility to be watchful for cyber attacks. If you receive an email with an enticing link, or one that tries to play on your emotions, it could be a cyber criminal trying to gain access to your information or systems. Only use websites that have been approved and check that the address starts with HTTPS and not just HTTP. Most importantly of all, always follow your organization's policies and procedures as they have been designed to keep you and the organization safe. You are an important link in your organization's security chain. Don't be the one that lets a cyber criminal in.